Meet Maria, a busy professional who wants to start a new business while maintaining her full-time job. Maria needs a tool to help her organize her thoughts and ideas. Enter the mind map. To create an effective mind map, start with a central idea and branch out to related ideas. Use keywords, images, and color coding to visually organize information. Mind mapping can be used to brainstorm ideas, organize information, and prioritize solutions. Mind maps can also be used as a tool for note-taking and studying. For example, when taking business-related courses. There are many tools available for collaborating and sharing mind maps. By using mind mapping, Maria is now able to effectively organize her thoughts and ideas while balancing her full-time job and her new business venture.